It's nearly Valentine's Day, so we thought we'd show you how to make some really fun things that you can do with your children.
So we've got a heart puzzle,
A Be Mine card,
and some foam stamps to make beautiful Valentine's prints.
keep watching and we'll show you how to do it.
For the heart puzzle, you'll need corrugated card, coloured card, paint and a glue stick. For the stamps, you'll need craft foam, double-sided tape and craft glue. For the bee, you'll need craft glue again, a blank card, yellow card, Sharpies and a couple of yellow buttons. So for the Valentine's puzzle, start by trimming a piece of card so that it is a square. Draw a large heart in the centre and cut this out. Draw around the heart onto white card and cut this out too. Glue the square onto some corrugated card and cut out. Then repeat for the white heart. Paint the heart with whatever design you like. Here we're going for a cheery rainbow. Leave to dry. Glue a piece of contrasting card to the back of the square card for a base. Mark on the back of the rainbow your puzzle pieces and cut these out. This is a little bit fiddly, so you might need to get a grown-up to help you. Slot the pieces back into the card to finish. For the stamps, draw out a series of shapes onto some craft foam. These should be roughly the same size. Cut the shapes out. Make a heart template from a scrap of paper that is a little bit bigger than your shapes. Use it to create a heart base from foam for every shape you have cut out. Cut strips of foam for each heart, about 15 centimetres long and 2 centimetres wide. Glue the shapes into the centre of the hearts. Then place a strip of double-sided tape to the back and loop the strips round, joining in the centre. Then all you have to do to stamp is brush each shape with some paint and press down. For the bee card, draw a shape onto the front of the card. It should be about 6 centimetres high. It doesn't need to be perfect. Cut this out. Then use the cutout section to make a frame from yellow card. Cut it out like this. Glue the frame onto the card. Sketch your message onto the front of the card and fill it in with a dotted black line. Add a little bead to the end if you like. Draw black stripes onto the buttons with Sharpie and glue them into the centre of the frame inside the card. Add a heart in the middle of your bees and give each one some wings.
Head over to the Hobbycraft Ideas Hub for loads more Valentine's related crafts.